Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very much requested video, and that is a updated closet tour. I'm going to show you guys how I cleaned up my closet for spring as well as how I organized it. I did move, and since then I haven't shown you guys my full closet and setup, so I'm going to show you guys in this video as well as give you what my tips are on getting organized and just everything that I used in order to make my closet what it is. I hope it gives you guys some ideas, definitely for people that have closets in small spaces or apartments, and you can't really have that dream closet that everybody puts on Pinterest. This is just some ideas that will hopefully help you guys get organized and create the closet of your dreams right where you're at. So if you want to see my closet, then stay tuned. Before I get too deep into the video, make sure to check out my previously posted video, which is an updated living room and kitchen tour. I'm putting the rooms in my apartment together piece by piece, and so that's what I'm showing you in this video, is just my closet. But if you want to see everything else, then check that out. Super quickly, I'll show you guys what my closet looks like now or before I come through and organize it. My organizing system I got from Home Depot, and it doesn't drill into the walls. It just hooks onto the clothing racks, so it won't mess up your walls if you're renting or in an apartment. So you can see I have some shelves that I also got. They're just regular shelves that I put together myself, but I put them on top of the shelf because it just adds extra storage space and height. I can take advantage of the height of my closet. So as you can see, it's generally organized, but it's messy, and I still have a lot of winter stuff in here and fall stuff, and I really need to clean it out, organize it, detox of clothes I don't wear anymore, or they don't fit, or I don't want them, and I really just need to do an overhaul of my closet. So what I'm going to do is pull out all the winter and fall clothes. I'm going to organize my hangers. I'm going to organize everything in my closet, from the small accessories to the large accessories. And so I'm just giving you an overview of what it looks like now so you can compare it to the final product. So the first thing I'm going to do is organize my boots, and I'm going to make a homemade boot shaper by using a pool noodle. I got it for $1 from the dollar store. I'm going to measure it against the size of the boot, and I'm going to cut it so that it fits snugly inside the boot, and now the boot will stand up on its own. This is easiest as opposed to buying a boot shaper. They're much more expensive, but I like this because you can add a pop of color if you want, or you can just leave it so they don't show. So I'm going to also do a socks tox or a socks detox and get rid of all my old socks or that are unmatched. Goldtoe actually sent me a box of new socks that I have been trying out and I love. They are gold toe socks. As you can see, they have the gold toe, and that's how you know that they're authentic. They have arch support, perfect fit construction, Aqua FX, silicone grip, and tab. These are just different cuts and styles of their socks. Their quality socks are an important building block in any wardrobe, I feel, because not only can they add a pop of style to any outfit, but they can provide much needed comfort, moisture control, which does help prevent odors, and abrasion protection for your feet. So I got this little organizer at a department store. You can get them anywhere, and I'm going to organize my new socks, and I'm just going to fold them or roll them so that you can see what the socks looks like from the top, and that just helps with styling. So once I put it in my closet, it fits perfectly on one of the shelves, and then you can also store other things in there. I put my wallet. It's giveaway time. Join me in your own sock talks. Snag a photo, video, or Instagram story while reorganizing your sock drawer. Get rid of the old and usher in the new. Be sure to follow goldtoe_socks on Instagram and post to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube with the hashtags SockTalks, hashtag sweepstakes for a chance to win an assortment of gold toe socks and a $250 Amazon gift card. I will link the official rules below. So now for the rest of the storage and organization. I'm just going to empty this whole shelf and just start organizing it with shoes for spring. I took out all my winter and fall, and I started putting in the bottom my most worn shoes for spring and summer, followed by the shoes that I probably will wear the least often at the top, which is more of like my fancy peep toe and heels. And then in the middle, I decided to put my slides because they're not shoes that I'm necessarily going to wear every day, but more often than heels. So I'm putting those in the middle shelf. And voila, I have my shelf all organized. As you can see, it already looks so much better. So far, so good. Now I need to get to the rest of the closet. One thing I think is really important when it comes to organizing your closet is your hangers. I use these wooden ones I got from Amazon, and I use these for work clothes. Then I got these pink ones that I got from Home Goods or some department store, but they're cute and dainty, and I like to put my casual clothes on these. So what I did was I pulled out all of my work clothes and going out clothes that were for winter or for fall, or I just didn't like or I couldn't fit, and I'm going to donate the ones that I don't want. I've become very much a minimalist when it comes to my clothes and my shoes, so I only keep what I need and what I really like. So if you can see that transformation, I was able to tidy up this part of my closet, so I'll just go through it with you to show you what everything is. On my shelves, I have my collection of J's and other sneakers, and I just like keeping them there because they're colorful and it keeps them from being on the floor and getting dirty. I also keep my accessories in this bin. I have no clue where I got it from, but I keep hats, scarves, beanies, belts, and little handbags in there, and it just keeps them separated and organized. On this side of the closet, this is kind of a catch-all side of the closet, so this is the next part that I'm going to be redoing. So once I did the same thing to that side of the closet, it is done. And here is the final product, which is an organized and well thought out, very functional closet setup. It's not going to drill into my walls, or it's not going to cause me to lose any kind of deposit. Everything is where I can see it and organized. Definitely love the touch that this organizer brought for my socks and wallets, as well as the bookshelves, being able to organize my shoes that I'm not wearing for the current season or that I'm not going to wear that much. I do need to re-up on work clothes for spring, so I have space for that. But I also like to organize by color. I go from lightest to darkest, from left to right. And so as you can see over here, it just looks so much more organized and clear and clean. I have my workout clothes that I keep on this side of the closet, some random gym shoes. I have jeans and shorts, a random bathrobe. I keep little knickknacks in here that I need. Sprays, linen spray, sneaker spray, fabric spray, anything I can need. And then I use these shopping bags to hold like extra hangers and just closet accessories, clothing accessories that I need. I find that they keep everything organized and really clear and free from clutter while also being kind of cute. I've organized all my dirty clothes into this hamper, which separates them, or at least I do separate them into darks, lights, and brights. And on this back wall, I still kept my same casual outfits that are color-coded. You can see I'm using the pink hangers. And then I also added my dressy clothes to the end of that side of the closet. So yeah, so this is my entire closet. Again, it's not done. I'm not finished with it yet, but I am excited for the direction it's going because it gets more and more organized every day. If you guys have any tips or advice on what I could do to organize my closet a little bit more, I definitely welcome.
those suggestions, but I hope that this video helped you. Definitely check out Gold Toe. I have a link below, and also
thank you guys so much for watching my updated closet tour, and I hope it gave you some great ideas. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more of these kind of videos, and if you did like it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button because it lets me know you like it and it lets me know I should make more. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button so you do get notified of when I do make videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next one.